When equation of a line is given in which ABC occur in the denominator, then a vector along this line can be written as AI plus BJ plus CK. By using this result, we can write a vector P along this line and a vector Q along this line. When two vectors A and B are given in terms of ijk, then A cross B is equal to this determinant. After expanding this determinant, we get the value of A cross B equal to this. P is equal to this is a vector along this line. Q is equal to this is a vector along this line. P cross Q will be equal to this. That means P cross Q vector will be equal to this. Since A cross B is a vector perpendicular to the plane containing the vector A and B, therefore P cross Q will be a vector perpendicular to the plane containing the vector P and Q. Since this plane is perpendicular to this plane and this vector P cross Q is perpendicular to this plane, that means this vector P cross Q will be parallel to this plane. Equation of the plane containing this line and parallel to this vector is written as this is equal to 0. This determinant is equal to 0. Here this plane P contains this line and is parallel to this vector P cross Q. Therefore, by using this formula, equation of P, plane P can be written as this determinant is equal to 0. That gives this equation. That means equation of plane P is this. Length of perpendicular drawn from this point to this plane is equal to this. D is the length of perpendicular drawn from this point to the plane P. Therefore, D will be equal to this, and this gives D square is equal to 32/3.